Hi everyone, so let's make creamy black beans curry. So this black beans, we usually eat it in quesadilla, which tastes super delicious, but it has white flour tortilla and cheese and stuff. Instead I wanted to make the healthier version, so I created my own curry recipe. And look at the protein level and the calcium, potassium, it is very good for you. So I thought of using it in my in my curry. This is a different recipe you cannot find anywhere online. So for that we need ginger garlic chili, tomato sauce and black beans, which I boil it at home and then I keep it in the freezer. We also need some sour cream and chickpeas. So let's get started. First we'll start with our ginger garlic chili. To make a paste, add some salt so that we can make a paste. I'm using my mortar pestle and now my paste is ready. And now let's heat up some oil in the pan. When it heats up, we are going to add some mustard seed and cumin seed, which are our tempering ingredients. And once they crackle, we'll add our asafoetida, which you should all know it by now. These are the tempering ingredients and this is how it works. And once they crackle and we add asafoetida, we are going to add chickpea flour and stir it for 30 seconds, low heat. The heat should not be high. And let's add our ginger garlic chili paste. So whenever I made ginger garlic chili paste like that, it tastes so much better compared to I usually grind it. So just wanted to let you know that. Now we'll add our tomato sauce. To make tomato sauce, I have just blanched them, then put it in the cold water, remove the skin, then grind and cook it until it gets thickened up. That's how I made my tomato sauce. You can take 2 tomatoes puree, that also works. Now let's add some red chili powder, coriander cumin powder, some pinch of turmeric because I don't want yellow color, I want my gravy to look red. Now stir it really well. Close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes because my tomato sauce was still frozen. Now let's add our multi-purpose masala and some sour cream. So sour cream is the only ingredients that is going to make it creamy, and our chickpea flour is going to make it thicker. So this, when they combine together, our curry becomes thick and creamy. And if you don't have sour cream, you can always add any kind of yogurt. Okay, just increase the amount of, if you are using regular yogurt, instead of 1 tablespoon you can use 2 tablespoons. Okay, and if you are using Greek yogurt, just add 1 tablespoon. And now after we stir it and cook it for a little while, we'll add our black beans, which is also frozen. So it's going to take a little longer to cook, but obviously you can use your canned beans too. I have just added some salt now. And close the lid until you see the bubble, until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, that's when you know it's done. And look at this, how creamy and delicious it looks like. It was really good. And this sabji goes very well with any kind of crispy paratha, okay, crispy paratha or naan. So what I usually do with my black beans is that I make them in the bulk, then I keep it in the big ice cube trays, and that's how I make my portion wise. So you can also use the canned ones too. Let's just sprinkle some kasturi methi and cilantro. And turn off the flame whenever you add garam masala. Okay, so I have turned off my flame, add some garam masala and sprinkle some amchur powder, which is optional. Amchur means mango powder. And look at this, now our curry is ready. And this is how my recipe looks like it. And look at this, now I'm going to serve it with my chapati. And now I'm going to eat it with that, and it was so good. And you can also serve it with rice too. So I hope my video was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns. I'll definitely help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.